Hey guys, welcome back to my monthly cleaning routine series. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my main level monthly. I will not be showing you what I clean daily or weekly, but if you are interested in how I do that, I will post those videos above. Last week, I cleaned my master bedroom and showed you how I clean that monthly, so make sure that you click on that link above as well if you're interested in that video. Otherwise, I will just jump right into this one. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and here we go. So number one is cleaning the garbage disposal. I feel like this is something that is super overlooked, and I know that I used to overlook this, but that thing gets disgusting. So the way that I clean it is I bought these Plink garbage disposal cleaners. I bought them from Kroger, and you just follow the instructions. You drop one into the garbage disposal and it makes it smell fresh and lemony and a whole lot better than that gunky smell. Number two is cleaning the inside of the oven. Basically all I do is I just take out the racks and I wash those in the sink, and then I will take my brush that has dish soap on it, and after I wipe out all of the mess that falls into the oven, which is a lot, I'm just going to clean out the oven with my brush, and then I will wipe it all down afterwards.
Maybe you will tell me what you're thinking, or maybe you will give me all the blame, but I'm moving on. I just have to make sure that you know. Would you be there for me?
Look how nasty that is. Oh. Number three is to clean off all doors and doorknobs with disinfectant spray. This is pretty self-explanatory, so I don't want to waste your time watching me clean off doors. But I also just take this time to wipe down the coffee maker as well. And number four is to clean out the trash can. Basically all I do is I just take my trash can outside and I take a water hose to it and just kind of rinse it out. Because I do this once a month, I don't really feel like I need to go all out and clean it thoroughly unless like something spilled in it. Of course, then I'm going to clean it out really well, but I just rinse it out with a water hose, and then that's pretty much all I do. Number five is to clean off the patio furniture. Basically all I do is I just wipe down the tables with my Lysol spray, and that's pretty much it. Every once in a while I will clean the pillows by putting them into the washer, but the patio furniture that we have is waterproof, so you can just rinse it down with a hose and clean it all off that way as well.
When I call up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground.
Number six, mop floors with a real mop. The reason why I put that is because I will mop my floors all the time, but I use a Swifter, and I feel like they get super clean when I do this. So I'll put Pine Sol into a bucket filled with warm water, and I'll bring out the actual mop and mop my floors that way. This is a prime example of why I do not clean with my son awake, because honestly, like, it took me 10 times longer to clean my floors and mop my floors with him awake than it would have with him asleep. So yeah, I had to put this clip in there just to show you guys why I don't do it when he's awake.
Inside the of your heart, a warm desire, heading for a new start. There ain't no excuses to keep from falling in love, and I can never get enough. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. And when I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize the power that you have. So many things to say, but no words to explain. Another time and place would ease away the pain.
Number 7 is to dust the blinds and the shutters. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but basically all I do is I just go over all of my blinds and shutters on the main level, and I will dust them off, and every once in a while I will clean off the windows if I feel like they're super dirty, but I don't really do that every month, only as needed. I do clean my fan once a week, but I completely forgot to clean it earlier in the week, so I just wanted to throw this clip in there. But I do dust my fan once a week because it gets really nasty if I don't. Number 8 is to wipe down my washer and my dryer. I've realized that I don't do a very good job of cleaning this room, mainly because I just kind of forget about it, but it does get really dirty if I let it go for too long. So I've tried to make this part of my monthly routine and just cleaning off the washer and dryer, straightening up this area, cleaning the floors and behind the washer and dryer, and making sure that the dryer vents are clog free as well. Number 9 is to clean the baseboards. A hack that I have found that is helpful is to take your Swiffer duster and spray some multi-purpose spray on it and just run it along your baseboards, and it cleans them really well, and you don't have to get on your hands and knees and climb around all over your floors. So just a neat little trick. Lastly, number 10 is to clean the air vents. So just like I did in the video previously, I just take my rag and I run it along each vent just to make sure that they don't have any dust or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I do. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.